Welcome to the Townhomes of Maplelane in Guelph, where comfort, convenience, and low-maintenance living come together. Nestled in a quiet, family-friendly community, this move-in ready 3-bedroom townhome offers a bright, thoughtfully designed layout. The main floor features a spacious eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances and an open-concept living and dining area, an ideal space for entertaining or relaxing with family. Brand new hardwood floors add warmth and style throughout the upstairs and main level living areas. Upstairs, the impressive primary suite boasts 2 closets, extra high windows, and plenty of space for a sitting area, extra dressers, or even a nursery. 2 additional bedrooms and a beautifully appointed 4-piece bathroom complete the upper level. The finished basement offers exceptional flexibility, featuring a large recreation room, a 3-piece bathroom, and plenty of storage, ideal for a family room, home office, guest suite, or space for university students or extended family. Located just minutes from parks, restaurants, shopping, University of Guelph, golf courses, and so much more, this home offers the perfect balance of peaceful living and everyday convenience.